This review examines the iPhone 14, focusing on its design, display, battery life, camera capabilities, and new features. The iPhone 14 keeps the same design as the 13, so if you're rocking a 13, you won't see any surprises here. The screen is still a great 6.1-inch OLED panel with awesome brightness and colors, but it misses out on the fancy always-on display and super smooth refresh rate you get with the Pro models. Here's where things get interesting. The iPhone 14 uses the same A15 Bionic Chip with a 5-core GPU that's also in the iPhone 13 Pro. Benchmarks show it's super fast, just like the Pro model. Battery life is on par with the 13 too, lasting for roughly 90 hours. One bummer though, they ditched the charging adapter in the box. The iPhone 14 comes with the new iOS 16. This update gives the lock screen a makeover, letting you add widgets and customize the layout. You can also link focus profiles to specific lock screens, so you can filter out messages and notifications from apps you don't want to see when you're focused on something else. It's a cool update, but not a huge jump from iOS 15. The main rear camera borrows the 12-megapixel sensor from the iPhone 13 Pro, but with a bigger aperture and bigger pixels for supposedly better low-light pics. The ultra-wide camera stays the same at 12 megapixels. Photos are still good, but the improvements over the 13 are minor. Videos can be shot in 4K at 60 FPS with all three cameras, and the review highlights the iPhone 14's impressive video stabilization. The biggest camera upgrade is the 12-megapixel front-facing camera, which finally has autofocus. This is a nice improvement for selfie lovers. The iPhone 14 is a solid phone, no doubt. It's fast, has a great screen, and the camera is decent with some improvements, especially for low-light shots and selfies.